The equation of a curve is 2x power 4 plus xy cube plus y power 4 equal to 10. Show that dy by dx equal to this. First, given equation is 2x power 4 plus xy cube plus y power 4 is equal to 10. Clear? Now, we have to find dy by dx, and for that the step you should take is differentiating on both sides. What do I mean is, take d by dx on both sides. You want dy by dx, for that I am differentiating on both sides. Clear? Next, apply this onto each. So what do I get? D by dx of 2x power 4 plus d by dx of xy cube plus d by dx of y power 4 equal to, differentiation of a constant is 0. Clear? Next, here you see 2 will not play any part, so 2 is outside. Now what is d by dx of x power 4? The formula is d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So this will change to, in place of n you have 4. So 4 into x power 4 minus 1 is 3. And the good practice is, to the answer write into d by dx of whatever letter present, x. Do not forget this. No doubt this will result in 1, but still you write it. Now next, here you need to differentiate x y cube. So I realized that x into y cube is a product. So whenever you want to differentiate a product, you should make use of UV rule. And what does that rule tells? D by dx of UV is nothing but V into d by dx of u plus u into d by dx of v. How do we understand this formula? Means differentiate one at a time. If you are differentiating u, v outside, if you are differentiating v, u outside, clear? Differentiate one at a time with a positive sign in between them. Clear? Let us apply this formula to this one. So I get, if y cube outside means I get d by dx of x plus, if x outside means I get d by dx of y cube. Now here, apply x power n formula, this one. In place of n, it is 4. So you get 4 into y power 4 minus 1, 3 into, don't forget the good practice. It is always to the answer multiply d by dx of this letter present. So y equal to 0. Clear? Now, see, when here this cancel out, you are left with 2 into 4, 8x cube plus, here also this cancel out, y cube plus x. Now differentiation of y cube. Again in place of n it is 3. So you get 3 into y power 3 minus 1 is 2 into d by dx of the letter present, which is y. Don't forget this. Many forget. Okay. Now here 4y cube, you cannot do anything to this, so that will remain. Okay. Now we have to get dy by dx. That means dy by dx should be made the subject. And how do you do that? For that, you should get rid of these two things. And how do you do that? See. Here it is plus 8x cube. Subtract 8x cube on both sides such that this cancel out. Here plus y cube, subtract y cube on both sides. So this is also gone. Clear? Next step. From these two terms, take dy by dx common. So what do you get here? 3xy square. And here 4y cube is equal to minus 8x cube minus y cube. Clear? Now, to get dy by dx, divide both sides with 3xy square plus 4y cube. So 3xy square plus 4y cube. Such that this cancel out, you get dy by dx to be minus 8x cube minus y cube by 3xy square plus 4y cube. Clear? And what do we have to get? We have to get 8x cube plus y cube. For that, what you do is, the negative is present in both. So take that negative common and write in this way. So minus of 8x cube plus y cube by 3x y square plus 4y cube. So we got what he told us to get. Clear?